Hello! Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this YOOHBERRYS Waters Man Woman Fishing Trousers for adults with boots. They're breathable, waterproof waters for sports fishing, for fishing lovers, for water sports, and for outdoor activities. We have here premium materials for optimal comfort. These fishing trousers are made of high-quality waterproof materials, which not only provides excellent protection against cold and moisture, while providing breathability and keeping us dry and comfortable in different water environments. We can immerse ourselves confidently in water sports activities by wearing these waterproof trousers with integrated boots. We have here breathable waterproof for dryness. The pants features an innovative breathable and waterproof membrane that keeps us dry by releasing moisture to the outside while preventing water from entering. This makes them ideal for activities such as fishing, water sports, or boat trips, where we are often exposed to wet conditions. The technology ensures that we always feel comfortable, no matter how long we are in use. An heavy-duty craftsmanship here for extreme durability. These fishing pants have been made with reinforced stitching and high-quality zippers. The durable construction resists the challenges of harsh environments and ensure that the trousers last for a long time even during intensive use. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who value quality and durability. And practical design. The pants features adjustable straps that ensures a perfect fit, as well as the multiple pockets to safely store our gear. The comfortable cut offers an optimal freedom for movement, so we can move without restriction. Whenever we are fishing, driving, or hiking, this design will support us in any activity. And versatile for all outdoor activities, because these fishing trousers are not only needed for anglers, but also perfect for water sports enthusiasts, boat fans, and outdoor enthusiasts too. Whenever we are on the beach, on the boat, or on the river, these trousers offers the ideal protection and the comfort for any situation. The versatility makes them an independable companion for anyone who loves the outdoor activities. And it brings us so much joy because we are not so wet as we go without such pants into the water. Of course. Waters denotes a waterproof boot or an overall extension from the foot to the height, the chest over even the neck. They are traditionally made from vulcanized rubber, but are available in more modern PVC, neoprene, or Gore-Tex variants. Waters are generally distinguished from counterparts waterproof boots by the shaft height. The hip boot extended to the height and the whaling boot to the knee. For the sake of the emphasis, therefore, waters are sometimes defined by the extent of their coverage as the high water and chest waters or fully body waters. As a dry suit variant, the full body waters come with leg-tight cuffs or gloves fitted on the sleeves and with a leg-tight collar or hood fitted to the neck, enabling the wearer to remain dry when they're standing or walking in deeper water. Waters are available with boots attached or can have attached stocking the feet, usually made of the water material, to wear inside boots or inside swim fins in the cases of float tube fishing. Do you see? Waters as footwear are big in business, so we can use this as a fisherman, for example, to catch a lot of fish, but a little bit deeper, and we will do not get wet anymore. Buy this YOOHBERRYS waters for men, women, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。